All right, let's just jump right in. You hear it constantly, right? Python is running the world. It's the engine behind our favorite games, our go-to web apps, and yeah, the AI that's literally changing everything. But all that power can feel, well, a bit out of reach. What if you could stop just hearing about it and start building with it? Well, this is your on-ramp, an accessible way to start creating powerful things.
Today, we're diving into the Python 3 Crash Course, a fantastic book from the expert author duo Sharanam Shah and Vaishali Shah. Seriously, this book was designed from the ground up to be your definitive guide to mastering the one language that basically runs the modern world, no matter where you're starting from.
But let's be real for a second. There's this one huge frustration that almost everyone faces. You learn the basics, maybe you write a simple script or two, and then, boom, you hit a wall. It feels like this massive, massive gap between what you know and what you need to know to build a real professional application. We like to call that the developer's canyon. And you know what? The authors get it. They call out this exact struggle. They wrote this book specifically to be the bridge that gets you across that canyon. It's not just about teaching you lines of code. It's about teaching you how to think and build like an architect. So, where does this journey begin? Not with a simple hello world, but by building your own professional workshop. This book gets you set up from day one with the exact same pro-level tools that top engineers use, from VS Code and the rough extension for squeaky clean code, all the way to Docker for enterprise-level deployment. So how exactly do you cross that canyon? Well, this book is all about action. It's about building a portfolio of real, tangible applications that you can actually show off. These projects prove your skills right from the very first few chapters. Your journey kicks off with an RPG inventory system. And look, you're not just going to read about variables, lists, and dictionaries in some abstract way. Nope, you'll immediately put them to work managing game data. This gives you a huge confidence boost and shows you how to manage data from day one. And then things get really fun. You jump into the creator track. Here, you're not just a coder anymore, you're a game developer. You are going to build a complete, fully playable 2D arcade game, all from scratch. By building Galactic Defender, you're proving you can handle complex logic. You'll be implementing game loops, keeping score, handling physics, detecting collisions, the whole shebang, all using the powerful Pygame library. This is a serious step up. From there, you broaden your horizons and your portfolio. You'll tackle two more powerful tracks, the analyst and the architect. And here, you're going to build two completely different but totally industry-relevant applications. First, in the architect track, you'll build Devlog, a full-stack web application with a database using the incredibly robust Django framework. Then, switching gears to the analyst track, you'll build the planetary data hub, creating professional heat maps and even simulating molecular motion with Matplotlib. How cool is that? And now, we get to the really cutting-edge stuff, the AI engineer track. This is where you'll build a modern AI-powered chat application called Nexus AI. This is where it all comes together. Your Python skills connect directly to the AI revolution. You'll build a slick user interface with Streamlit and plug it directly into Google's powerful Gemini API. You'll be generating sophisticated, human-like text in real time. This isn't a toy project. This is what real-world AI engineering looks like. But listen, this is about way more than just building 5 cool, separate apps. It's about learning how to architect professional systems. By truly mastering functions and object-oriented programming, you're ensuring that every single project is built on clean, scalable, and easy-to-maintain code. That's a consistent standard of quality that managers love to see. And to prove you're ready for the enterprise world, you'll actually build a Polyglot Microservice system. Your Python API becomes the single source of truth, serving data to a PHP frontend on one side and a Java service on the other, all of it seamlessly managed with Docker. This right here, this is a skill that gets you hired. And just when you think you're done, there's a huge bonus chapter that gives you a direct path into the future of AI. You'll get a hands-on introduction to PyTorch by building CineMatch, a movie recommendation engine, which basically paves your way right into the world of deep learning. Okay, so you're probably thinking, how on earth do I learn all this and actually remember it? That is where the book's secret weapon comes in, the workshop method. It's a unique learning system designed for one thing, to make sure what you learn actually sticks. Just look at the difference. Typical books, they only show you the happy path, where everything works perfectly. This book teaches you proactive debugging for the kind of errors you'll see in the real world. You won't just copy-paste code, you'll solve actual problems with practical drills. And theory checks make sure you understand the why behind what you're doing, not just the what. Think about this. The world runs on Python. After finishing this book, so do you. You won't just be someone who can write code. You'll be a creator, an analyst, an architect. You've just seen the entire path from a completely blank screen to a fully deployed AI-powered system. You've seen the 5-project portfolio that could absolutely change your career. The only thing left to do is to start. Your journey starts right now. So go ahead, take out your phone, scan the QR code you see on the screen. It'll take you straight to the purchase page. This is your moment. This is your chance to invest in yourself and become the developer you know you can be. So your next steps are super simple. Get your copy by scanning that QR code. Check out more amazing books from the authors at sharanamshah.com. And most importantly, download that code and start building today. Your future as a software architect is waiting for you.